Oh, I just love this.
Yeah, right there is the
Look at that. Talk about wonderful views.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Guys, we want this house to be yours.
That's
If
right.
you're
It's
all
not too
interested
late. We
in
know
this house,
I've
yeah.
seen a lot of interest
yes,
already.
obviously there's a
So,
lot of interest.
Call and text us because you can actually, a lot of times people buy the house even without seeing
Yeah.
it.
You
So,
might be in Indiana right now,
Mhm.
and so you might want this house, and
It's very
you can-
common.
Guys, we'll help you get it sight unseen if that's what you're gonna do.
That's
So
right.
we sell houses easy, fantastic virtual 1 hour open house.
That's right.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.